let's talk a little bit about the sentences and what we need to make a sentence and what problems we can run into with these sentences. Okay, so the basics of a sentence, what they're going to say, are a lot of times people will say you need a subject and a verb, right? A subject. But they're right, but they're not quite right. They use the word verb because they're, I don't know, maybe they're a little bit afraid or of scaring people. But the actual term that we're going to look for here is predicate. It's not a verb, it's going to be a predicate. Okay. Now then a subject is a noun phrase that is the person, place, or thing, like a noun. Well, actually, person, place, thing, or idea. Is doing the action or is being described. A predicate is going to be the action or description of the subject. If you notice here, we do see a noun in the subject, and we are going to see a verb in the predicate because a verb is an action, or it's states of being, which are going to get us to descriptions. Okay. So a subject and a predicate are what we need for our sentences. A sentence fragment occurs too often when we have one or the other of these just by itself. So somebody give me a person, place, thing, or idea.
You.
Car.
You. Yes, exactly. You. And then, so then give me a little bit more about you. What is you going to, what is you doing?
Listening to you.
Listening to you. Okay. All right. So then, let's go with the listening to you. Okay. Now, if we erase this part, and this was just what we began our sentence with, all we would have would be an action that's happening. We're missing the subject. The majority of sentence fragments are going to be something along these lines. They're also going to be something a little bit different. They might, for example, give us a subject that feels like it's going to be a complete sentence, but it's not actually. While I was walking my dog, the train. Okay. We forgot, we were so busy writing, we were so busy, trying to think about what we're trying to talk about, we're trying to tell a story. We got 45 minutes, oh my God, what are we going to do? Oh, run. And then we forget to complete our thoughts. That's what sentence fragments are. They're incomplete thoughts. Or incomplete thoughts, yeah. Grammar good, yes. Okay. So that's what sentence fragments are.